More power to the people, more power. More power. I hear that power, please. Upper AV auditorium is very historical. So more power to the people, more power. More power to more power. More power to Timia, more power. Yeah, it's usually very hard to speak after Gasheke, but I will just focus on one thing, which is Article 43 of the Constitution, which I understand very well that Baba na Mama Apa will play a very key role to make sure that we have that Constitution. So we as young people, we call upon the implementation of Article 43 of the Kenyan Constitution. Kwa sababu hiyo Article 43 ndio inatupea right to food. Na sisi ukweli wa Kenya wa mashinani tuko njaa. I come from Mukuru kwa Jenga where the last demo... I didn't even introduce myself. My name is Minocha. I come from Mukuru kwa Jenga where the last demonstration took place. Now ukweli, you can tell from the crowd of people that ukweli watu wako njaa. So demonstrations were of course to this police brutality, kwa sababu tuko na haki kwa constitution, tuko na haki, tunajua tunafaa tukuwe na chakula, tuko na haki, tunajua tunafaa tukuwe na employment. Me, I live very near in industrial area, and I can tell you 80% of the youths in Mukuru kwa Jenga are unemployed. So this kind of idleness cause drugs, and this kind of drugs inaenda kwa crime. Na tukiona kwa crime, these people now start shooting us, which is of course I do not advocate for crime in any way, but what is the root cause of all things that are happening huku hivi mashinani? It is kind of poverty that is improvised by the state to cause this kind of poverty. So we want to say that what Azimio is doing is very great in terms of calling upon these people to be accountable. Na hizi vitu zenye walifanya campaigns nazo wakituambia watatupea na hawakutupatia. We as young people are dying huku mtaani. We as young people, manze, watu wa young huku mtaani wanateseka na wanateseka vibaya sana. If you go to these slums, you will see the kind of idleness and ina happen huku mtaani kila siku. Watu hawana employment, watu hawana vitu za kufanya. So we want to say that the government has to implement these things, because sisi tumechoka ukweli, and we will march to that state house and take power, because we are tired as young people and we have to take power. And just as I finish, I want to say that tuungane mkono pamoja, tuunge watu wa mashinani pia mkono, kwa sababu isikuwa tu ni demonstration peke yake ndio tunaungana mkono peke yake. Tukicall upon hizi dialogues zenye tuna address issues za police brutality, issues za extrajudicial killings, can you be with us and can you hold our hand? And just to finish with, as a woman, I want to say pia wamama wa mashinani wamechoka, because every time that our kids are getting killed, it comes back to us kama wamama. When our kids wanaenda kwa drugs, it comes back to us kama wamama. When it is crime, it comes back kama wamama. So sisi wamama pia tumechoka, na ukweli wamama wa hii country tukiamua kuungana na mayouth, tutaingia kwa hiyo state house and we will take power, because we are tired. We are very tired. Viva comrades, viva! More power to the people, more power.
Fire! Vijana power!